guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ria and today we are going to be doing some prepping up of the skin before makeup, and then I'll show you what all I do to get a glowy everyday makeup look that I've been loving doing these days and without any foundation. So I'm super excited and we are gonna prep up our skin now. So first up, I have washed my face with a face wash and then I am going to be applying a face mask. So, taking care of your skin before any heavy thing, heavy makeup or anything, whatever you want to do, you have to prep up your skin. Otherwise, your skin is going to look very, very dull and not that glowy. So if you want that glowy effect, glowy look, and you want your skin to look healthy, it's very important to prep up your skin and then do your makeup. So first up, what I'm gonna do, I am going to be applying this face mask by Polixir. It comes in a packaging like this, and I have been using this face mask for the past 2 weeks and I have been loving the product, guys. I'm not kidding you. The product is suitable for any skin type, and that's a big yay from my end, because it happens that few products suit dry skin, few products suit oily skin, but it suits all skin types. And it comes with a super cute little brush like this, so it becomes very, very easy to apply the face mask. So this is how the product looks. It's very cute. The packaging is very premium, and I'm gonna take this and apply it on all over my face. You don't need to apply a lot of it. One swipe would cover a lot of area. So I'm gonna do the whole process on camera so that you can have a look and get an idea of how the product is actually. So let me apply it all over my face. So you need to apply it and you need to leave this mask for 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes till it dries, and then you have to wipe up with with warm water and a cloth. As you can see, I've applied the product all over my face and it already has started to dry in, and I'm just gonna wait for 10 minutes and then we're gonna wipe it off. So it has dried out completely. Now we're gonna take some warm water and cloth to wipe everything off. I'm doing everything on camera so that you can see the difference in my skin. So obviously with skincare or with any product, you can't see difference in just one time. You have to use it for a prolonged period of time to see the difference of that product. So I would recommend have patience and try this product out and for a month or so, and then only form an opinion about it. So I've washed my face and I have literally nothing on my skin right now, and as you can see, it feels fresh and plump. I can feel it myself. After washing the mask, I'm gonna apply some moisturizer on my face before starting my makeup. So I'm just gonna take some moisturizer and dot it all over my skin and just apply it all over. Before makeup, you should every time apply some moisturizer so that your skin is hydrated throughout the day. So this routine is going to be very, very, very basic, so suitable for beginners. And if you want to, when you're at home, you want to video call your friends or have a meeting on call, on video camera or on Zoom call, it's perfect for those sort of occasions. And I always do this makeup whenever I film videos, so I'm going to share it with you all what I do. So I'm using a concealer around my eyes and wherever it's needed. Just use it wherever you think you have pigmented skin or something like that. And I'm just gonna blend it with my fingers. I think I work best with fingers, so that's why I use fingers a lot, and that sounded so wrong. So I don't use brush and all. I prefer using my fingers only. we're just gonna take some powder and compact powder and dab it all over the skin. Then I'm gonna take this lipstick and use it as a blush. So that's what I do. I am Jugaadu like that. I just take the lipstick and it matches with the lipstick, you know, the blush matches with the lipstick, so it looks good and cohesive. Rather than applying blush of some other color, I prefer to do this only. Then I'm gonna go in with the highlighter and just highlight the high points of your face. You can go overboard with the highlighter as well because we don't have much going on with our face, so highlight whatever you want to highlight. Then we're gonna highlight the brow bones as well. I'm just taking some to put in the inner corner of my eyes. So after that I'm gonna go in with the mascara and just coat heavily with the mascara. You can obviously use kajal, eyeliner, whatever you feel is suitable and you like doing. I just like to go in with mascaras because I'm so over eyeliner and kajal look. And mascaras, I think, you know, pops up your face and gives a nice natural look all over. So that's the one reason I like to apply. Oh, I forgot. Then after the mascara, we're going to shape our brows, and you can use any palette or any brow pencil for that matter. And after doing my brows, I just opened my hair, so I'm gonna go in with the lipstick, the same lipstick that we use for blush, and so that's about it. This is my very minimal everyday makeup look that I like doing these days, and yeah, it looks very natural and it does not look like oh my god all over the face wala makeup. So I really like it from that point of view. And yeah, coming back to this product, the face mask by Prolixer, it has been around for quite a while now. I've seen a lot of influencers using this as well, and that is why I wanted to try this out. And this retails for $14.90 for a quantity of 50 grams. I think for the quality the price is justified because it is a miracle product, and I actually really love using this product, and there are very few products that I love using. And yeah, I am venturing into skincare, and I think this is perfect. Like, this is the perfect addition to my kitty. And yeah, I made an entire video about skincare during this time, during quarantine. You can have a look here. I'll add all the details about this face mask in the bottom bar down below, so you can, you know, try it out and let me know if you liked it or not. I'm sure you will. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, do like, share, subscribe, bell button, and I'll see you next time with another awesome video. Bye.